So here it is.
Our E1 Cayenne resto build.
We present to you Jagdwagen.
Jagdwagen. We have a Smitty built wireless winch, custom mounted inside the bumper, capable of pulling 10,000 pounds. We also have forged 18-inch wheels on 33-inch tires. We also did a 2-inch subframe drop with a steering shaft extension. On the roof, we have custom roof racks that we got, again, made for this model year, with a light rack with a button on the interior. If you'll notice that we got some off-road traction boards. Just in case you get stuck in the mud, we'll be able to get out, no problem. Some more finishing touches on the exterior. We got a custom Jagdwagen Ontario license plate.
We've also installed a Porsche Tech Equipment fuel cap. One of my favorite parts of this project is the custom-built storage that we've installed in the back. We've also installed a fire extinguisher out of one of our GT vehicles, as well as the Porsche off-road shovel from the 911 Dakar roof system. We hope you guys liked it. Stay tuned for our next video where we get a chance to take this thing out into the wild.